Welcome everyone to our design channel. Today we will show you how to make a mock-up of your logo using PHOTOPEA. First we open the mock-up we want from our files. Second, we open our logo PNG form, of course. Double-click here to edit the logo. Then we put our logo here. Now we have to make the logo a little smaller by going to Edit, and then Free Transform. Then we reduce it. Now we delete the logo that was present. Then we go to Files, then Save, Smart Object. And here's our logo in place. All that remains is to save it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all new. See you in another video.